Marlborough prison. Yeah, that's how it goes. They didn't want to play prison. I heard. Fuck him. I'm fine, man. Have a box mag. Yeah, he did. He pointed there at you. What? Oh, wow. What kind of subscription does she have? Yeah, that's what I was putting shots into. They're a big guy left side. Well, good. Thank you. I seen the door open. I see somebody come in. They shot. Like, all right, cool. Is there ammo here? No. Fuck. F, it looks like. You keep shooting the people I kill. Stop it. I got teleported as soon as he got behind you. I shot you instead of him. There's a guy behind you. What the fuck? How did he get up here? Did you die? How? He went right past you though. Yeah, I saved him.
Hey, I'm reloading.
No. Here it is. Very good. Wish you would stop, cat. The fuck y'all doing over here? Inside upstairs. Fuck. I lived. At the place already. Got reload.
Beautiful work of art ever made. Looks like it's just vanished.
Now we uncover the top clues surrounding the disappearance of a work of art that is known as the eighth.
I don't see you nowhere, man. Did you live? I killed a big guy with my last bit of ammo. Hey, quit your shit, man. You sure did. He's dead. Another one, it sounds like.
Down the room in 7 1901 in Berlin, which then was part of Prussia.
Frederick the First, who rules over the powerful empire in what's now Germany, originally commissioned
Designed by lavish and it's resplendent and expensive. And he decides that unsurprised him. It attracts you to the
Yep, me too. I have ammo for everything.
and you get to tour people. King Frederick is trying to forge an and he basically said,
You trying to jump on me, boy. Trying to jump on me, I ain't paying you no attention. What you doing, baby? I know. Everybody be mean, I know your babies.
Alright, then get ready!
thank you. Until the Nazis rise.
Come on, then!
Fuck your shit, boy. Leave her alone.
Kane.
And here's where the mystery starts. Because after the Nazi siege of Leningrad, the Amber Room goes missing. We know that it was in the Catholic house.
We know that Hitler sent Nazi troops to go recover. But that's the last thing we know. Everything else is just theories.
We
Working
think
on
that the
Alpha!
Nazis do in fact
Yeah.
It's terrible. We've got nothing. Hitler before starting this and destroying.
Big guy. Loading.
And the soldiers noticed. They also noticed a little bubbling in the wallpaper right near the sea. One of the soldiers just, under the wallpaper, and there's a little bit of
Alpha's clear, we
sheep
got it!
skin or something like
Oh man! They didn't like that! Fuck! They're at Alpha!
They start shooting.
They're taking Alpha! Hostiles on Alpha!
For safekeeping and bringing people into worship and the way to see pushing up those analysis of the Amber Room and realizing that these panels are very delicate and they become blue over time. So
Hostiles on Alpha!
the Germans uncovered the reeds.
Got two left. Okay, I was reloading.
They're taking Alpha!
They're not doing too great. They're more getting in my way than anything.
Fuck! They're at Alpha!
Yeah, he died.
I'm okay! Oh, they got balls, I'll give them that!
the Amber Room would give us all the museum would be.
I've got one mag left now. Is there? Where are you? Oh.
Evidence we have that the Amber Room ever actually went to Pony's back. We don't have any photographic evidence of that, and so we're not really even sure if that ever happened.
I used to live in While we don't know what happened in the Amber Room, we do know what happened in the castle. And it's not.
Heavily fired bombs
Son of
from
a
its
bitch!
Soviet smart generation. Take Pony's back.
Behind you.
At the time they finally finished the film came out, nothing to do about it. 90% of the city was
This local cut was pretty mysterious. So you have to wonder if the Amber Room just went this way.
No.
It's like we have to destroy
Open the door. I'm gonna throw a Molotov.
a team to come.
It counts. I'm already gone.
I need to reload!
You say that the Amber Room went
Like how I stopped shooting.
Mag, last mag!
word on this mystery.
not sure what the best explanation It's made way more than
Taking
that.
Charlie!
Oh, hey,
not really clueless. Fucking the bit.
Yeah.
If they get their way,
What? I'm out of ammo for that.
We can't do anything without the commander, brothers! Where is he?
Where the hell is the commander? Friendly fire! Green to green, let's go!
I shot that man 4 times with my M250. And he just stabbed me. He didn't even flinch. What happened? What are you doing, dude? How did he? You're dead. What? What? What is this guy's level? Oh, he's level 20. Okay. It makes sense that he's so crappy, but I don't know how the fuck he ain't dead yet. He's seen which way he teleported. Yeah, you're not safe with there.
and this is that room that you and crate away. This has many theorists thinking there's got to be another explanation.
What if the Germans moved the Amber Room
Uh,
after the Soviet invasion of 1945? We have a look.
Are we good to go?
January 21st and January 23rd. The tide of war.
I don't know how he survived that. That was weird.
Let's do it.
So the issues first, limited material and gun spare capital.
Some speculate that a high-ranking Nazi commander named Erich Koch follows these orders.
He's in charge of all civil administration, including police and discipline operations. He's touching on this is so anything that happens at Point Spare tax laws happen
On Alpha.
In January 1990,
Yeah.
which manages to stay on the run for 4 years until Bush. In 1950, he was returned to Poland for his fortune to stand trial. But here's the strange thing. His death sentence is pretty quickly commuted to life in prison. Plenty of Nazis are executed for their work now. There's no real reason for Koch to be spared. His crimes are just as bad as any other Nazi.
I could have swore I'd seen a person, but I guess it was a. Oh, it's a person.
is Koch spared because he has valuable
He went to the left.
We've taken
Oh.
Alpha.
He came back to him.
Taking cannon.
He ignored me and kept going after you.
Cover me! Reloading!
Reloading. The fuck did he come from?
They're taking Alpha.
he and the they meet and infringe.
Enemy is Alpha. Enemy is Alpha.
And Mamerky hides a few secrets himself.
Lay down.
Yeah.
In tunnels.
Anyone hit? Yeah, good to go. I'm uninjured.
It's a hidden maze. And that's because of the fact that during the course of the war, the Nazis
What's the guy right there? Oh, y'all just ran by a guy who was just standing there looking at y'all. That was the weirdest shit.
Friendly fire! Friendly fire!
Apparently nobody did. The only reason I see him because he was sitting there doing like a little weird up and down motion next to the window. I was like, oh.
Changing my magazine!
or he's just too close. He's at the Soviets do find him in the Amber Room.
I'm on Bravo.
Claiming the Soviets delivered a day there, Koch managed to stay alive almost into 20 years. Until
Explosive ready!
the 6th agent.
Even so, continues.
These days, Mickey is overdoing fun stuff, but part of it runs a museum called Polish Town named Outside Program.
Back on ammo, guys!
Even a replica of
Like 10 bullets in this. Like maybe 10 bullets.
Fucking
1% of the entire compound has been searched. That means that just the property still in the complex, just waiting to be explored.
Behind you.
These chambers for several years. So each day could be the one. When you're looking for the if you analyze thousands of data points into the factors,
Why his gun's empty? That's the plan, man.
Check-in. I feel work experience. Amazon makes it easy to make more sustainable choices to start the new year right.
so cheesy. Big fun. You hot pockets. If they get their way, this beautiful week.
Big guy upstairs. Behind you. Okay. There was a couple of them. No reason they even got close. There's like 3. I do. Yeah. Go ahead and go for it. Yeah. There was no one there near me. I wasn't even in that fucking same building anymore. I heard a BDD from all over the distance. Like, alright. This fell over like one piece of shrapnel caught me in the back of the fucking head or something. Alright. The fuck? Whoa, what? He got up there with you. Yeah.
Changing my magazine.
They're like level 20. I wouldn't trust them to do that. Level 20 and 822. You laying down there? Okay, if you need anything, let me know. I love you.
Echo secured the Echo. We took Echo.
Cover me. I'm reloading. I need a sec.
Do what? Yeah. I ain't playing, man. I got killed by bullshit last time. It kind of pissed me the fuck off. I ain't gonna get this door. I got it. All right.
Okay, let's do it. I'm reloading.
These people are all getting in my way. Ah! I turned around and watched the fucking fireball hit me in the face. That wasn't cool. Get up here. When that Molotov came at me, I was like, fuck this shit, I'm out. Oh, my gun's actually empty. Up here with us. Lay down, Luna. I was behind that pillar and a suicide bomber came up there. I don't know. I don't know how you didn't die. I know how he died. Me too. My grenade's right beside that pillar if you want to grab it. I'm pretty sure I got a grenade there. My gun's there too if you need it. Come on, Luna. Might disappear before you grab it. There's a grenade there. I thought I had a grenade on me. Make sure the ammo is good on it too. I would move a little bit. Good grenade. It was already up. It's an IR flashlight. I thought you put the bipod up. I was like, it's already up. I never run the bipod down. It gets stuck on things. Hey, buddy. They can. They just don't path that way. He's fast. He's fast as fuck, boy. I don't think you heard how fast he was. Jesus. That's good. Yeah. What did I do with it? Yeah. No one even got, no one else even got close at all. Yeah. I got killed by bullshit. Easy, buddy. What you wanting? You been popping me all day, boy. You can't be still wanting to sleep with me. He's like, if you're gonna pile up, I'm gonna pile up too, damn it. I woke up here stretched out beside me, just I was like, oh, okay.